Hi everyone. I have a couple animals that tend to shed a lot. And you can see there's hair all over the floor. Between the three of them, I get these hair dust bunnies everywhere. If you remember, actually last year about this time, I got a IQ Shark robot vacuum to help with this, and it's actually been working very well. And I have it run twice a week, and it does a good job. I need something to help the in-between time. I don't want to run it every day. It actually takes a couple hours to do the whole house. I just want something quick to pick up the dust bunnies that are forming in the meantime. When I got one of the Bissell's, the carpet cleaner, it came with a free pen vacuum, I'm not sure exactly what it's called. And I thought I can use it to pick up these type of dust bunnies in these unusual places. But it actually, with the cord, I was plugging in all over the place, and it was kind of not very convenient. So it's Amazon Prime time again. I got a good deal last year on the IQ Shark. So this year I got I don't know if it's NEQUARE or NEQUARE, I'm not sure how to pronounce that, but it was about 40% off on Amazon Prime. It's a cordless handheld vacuum cleaner. I'm going to give that a shot today. As you can see, it comes disassembled, but it looks like it's going to be a pain to assemble. There's a ton of pieces here, but actually there's a lot of options. So you can have it at different lengths and stuff. So it's actually very versatile. And that's one of the reasons I selected it. So the base of this is the motor and dust bin. And it's handheld, and everything attaches here. And we'll expand from there. And we'll look at the different options. Real quick, here's the attachments. It has the standard floor unit. This is the upholstery or curtain unit, an extra filter, charger, more of a brush. This is probably what I'll use on the floor to get the hair up. Battery. This is a clamp with attachments, and this is the arm, and it's also extendable, so it can collapse or extend. So I'm going to go ahead and charge it. You can see the lights turning on here. So when they stop flashing, I will assume it's done. So while the battery's charging, we'll just go ahead and plug the arm into the base. And it's one-handed, it just clicks in like that. Like I said, this is extendable, so it can be smaller or get large. I'm going to leave it long because that's where I want it. I'm going to start off with the carpet brush here, which simply plugs in. It snaps in like that. It's that simple. And now we have a handheld vacuum. So the battery just goes right in here at the end. If you notice, it has a button that says max. When you turn it on, there's just a trigger here. You turn it on, it just goes normal. If you hit the max button, it'll actually supercharge it, so they say. So let's go ahead and slide this battery in here. Okay, let's see if it works. Cool. Let's give it a go. So this is the floor mount attachment. Just pull the button. It comes on. You hit the max. It picks it up a little bit. You can see in the bin here, that's where it's depositing the debris. So I'm going to go ahead and switch out the end with the dust brush. Just push this button, comes off. Got the dust brush, just clicks right in. So this is the whole thing with the dust brush on there. So let's give this a go. I'm actually going to do this handheld so you can get a better look. I'm going to show you how to empty the dustbin. I've already emptied it once, but you just push this button right here and the bottom pops out. Around here so you can see. Okay. And it would dust, put it over a trash bin or something, it'll dust out. It'll fall out. You can also push this button, twist this back, and the motor comes off. You can actually remove this unit with the filter here and clean off around here as well. And that just goes back in. You close this, goes back in here. Like so. Close that up. Put this back on, goes in a little bit of an angle until it slips into place. And then clicks in like that. It's quite easy to do. The dust brush did okay on the floor. You can see that a lot of the hair, the brush around here actually picks up a lot of the hair, and there's only 2 holes here. It did pick up most of it, but it did clog up a little bit in there. So I'll probably use the edge attachment or the crevice attachment to pick up the little globs of hair on the floor. Other than that, it worked pretty good. It did suck enough to get the items off the floor. So that, in that regard, it's great. I can just walk around and pick things up. So how you store this is you put the carpet attachment on and it clicks into this detent. And actually you just stand up against the wall here. Like that. I mean, it doesn't have to be in the corner. And then these attachments actually just snap on here. And you can just put your attachments on like so. This can also be screwed against the wall like that if you prefer. I also wanted to show you again that this doesn't have to be propped in a corner. It kind of looked like it was propping up in the corner. Just actually put the base near the wall and it just stands in place. So if it's in a closet or something, you just stick it in there, then you can attach your attachments to it. So to release the battery, just pull this down and the battery slides out. Just push the button in, it slides out. But also, if you notice, the hold to charge is accessible without removing the battery. So you can actually just plug it in and charge it while it's still in. So overall, I think this will do what I want. It's going to be just a nice, affordable, lightweight, cordless vacuum that it's going to help me pick up primarily dog hair and cat hair off the ground, but it did pick up a lot of other stuff. We actually had some baby ducks in here, and there was some bedding on the ground, so it picked up a lot of that as well. Like I said, it's not super powerful, but it is actually extremely quiet, and it does the job. So hopefully if you're looking for an affordable cordless vacuum, you'll consider the NEQUARE, if I'm saying that right. Anyway, thanks for watching. We'll catch you next time. Thanks.